Okay, so hello everyone. In this video, we will be talking about graphene. It's one of the most promising nanomaterial. Now, to start, here are the table of contents. First, we will be running down the introduction of this material. Next is its applications in our daily lives. Next is what type of material it is. And lastly, its type of bonding, which explains its characteristics. Now, firstly, graphene was discovered in 2004 by Andrew Game and Konstantin Novoselov, who received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2010. Now, to shortly or briefly explain what graphene is, it is a material that is made of a single layer of carbon atoms arranged in a hexagonal lattice, being something like a million times thinner than a human hair, which makes it a nanomaterial. Now, this was derived from getting getting a very small strand or getting a very small plane of graphene from graphite, which is how Andrew Game and Novoselov discovered it. Now, the applications of this material is not limited to the ones on the screen. It could be applied to mostly anything in our lives. So, for example, there are electronics, since it is a good electrical and it is a good conductor, which is about three times better than copper. It could be used in that way. Next is for energy, then medical uses could be from using the strength of the material. Next is water filtration. Graphene is actually uh, an impermeable material, which makes it useful for water filtration. Lastly is it could be used in composites. We could add graphene to other types of material to make it more durable or strength, or we could make it more conductive. Now, for the type of material of graphene, since it was derived from a, a very thin layer of graphite, since graphite is a inorganic nonmetal, it should therefore be classified as also an inorganic nonmetal. Next is the type of bond. So for graphite, firstly for graphite is a hexagonal lattice of covalently bonded carbon atoms. So as it was also from graphite, it was also sourced from graphite. Now, graphene is a single atomic layer of graphite with strong covalent bonds between each carbon atom. Now, because of this strong covalent bonds between each carbon atom, it has, firstly, a high melting point and boiling point. It needs a lot of energy to break them down. Next is its good electrical conductivity. Each carbon atom has an unbonded electron, and the unbonded electrons are delocalized electrons that are free to move and carry charge. Now, this is one of the exceptions to the rule that covalent bonds are not really conductive because, for example, diamonds are also conductive. So this is one of the exceptions to that rule. Next is it is a very strong material because graphene's strong covalent bonds makes it 100 times stronger than steel, or some say it's 200 times stronger than steel. And it is also the thinnest material possible. which is one atom thick and very lightweight and transparent. And that's what makes graphene a very good futuristic material for engineering, or not even limited to engineering, maybe medical or other stuff. And that's it for this video about graphene. Thank you.